In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Super Mario 64 Co-op Deluxe. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up and playing Super Mario 64 Co-op Deluxe is extremely simple. All that you need to do is download the latest version of the tool and run it with a compatible ROM. Keep in mind that for this video, I will not be able to show you how to acquire the ROM of Super Mario 64. Sadly, if I do that, my video risks being taken down, so it is up to you to figure out how to acquire a ROM of the game. With that said, I'm still going to teach you how to use the actual tool. So go to the website at sm64coopdx.com, and in here click on latest release on GitHub. So click on this option. You will be redirected here. All that you have to do is scroll down and you will find all of the downloads. So it is available for Linux, Mac OS, Steam OS, and Windows. I'm going to assume that most of you are on Windows, so it is what I'm going to showcase in this video, but you can pick any of the other operating systems as well. You will also notice they have OpenGL and DirectX. To keep it simple, I recommend downloading OpenGL. There are some differences, but I'm not going to cover in this video because I don't think it's worth. Just download either of these, with my recommendation being OpenGL. Once you download the zip, you will extract it somewhere. The most important thing is going to be the executable, so you will have sm64coopdx.exe. All that you have to do is open this. Once you run this, you will see this message, no ROM detected. Drag and drop Super Mario 64.z64 to this screen. So like I said before, this is where you will need to acquire your own ROM of the game, and I cannot teach you how to get it or else my video risks being taken down. But once you do have the ROM, just drag and drop it into the tool. Now you will see the home screen. So you will see host and join. One of you will have to host and everyone else who is going to play is going to be joining. If you are playing between you and your friends, I recommend hosting a private room. So you choose host and then you set up a custom password. That way no other random people will join. The network system you can usually leave on default, choose any of the save slots, and if you want to use mods, change the settings, and use cheats, make sure that you select everything here. Once again, I'm not going to cover everything in this video, it is up to you, personal preference. But if you want to play with random people online, you can also just go over to join and choose public lobbies. If you go to public lobbies, you can connect with other people all over the world and enjoy Super Mario 64 Co-op. If you are going to be playing between your friends, after someone hosts the lobby, go over to private lobbies, find a specific one, input the password, and start playing. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.